This tool for publishing and sharing YouTube video replays of a meeting or a speech has been part of the WordPress for Toastmasters system for years, and it's been newly updated. So what I do is I'm going to paste in the website address for a specific video. I can either associate it with a specific speech, or what's becoming more common lately is we'll take the Zoom recording of the whole meeting and publish that, but we still want to index it according to the different speakers who participated in that meeting so that they can go and easily see their speeches. We can distribute these by video. So it's pulling in information from the agenda about who was on the schedule to speak. But if somebody else also spoke, if somebody gave an impromptu speech, we can add that in. You can add in those details. So if I scroll down a little bit, it gives me a preview of the message we're going to send out, the subject line and the body. And this can also be simultaneously saved to the blog, and I'll show you some of the advantages of that in just a moment. Now this typically goes out with a little bit of a video policy statement about how you record videos in your club, whether you share them publicly or whether you share them on a members-only basis, which is one of the built-in options too, is that you can share these things a little bit more privately for people who aren't as brave about having their stuff shared with the whole universe. Don't necessarily want to become YouTube stars, just want to see their speeches and see how they can improve. So if I click through to look at what this would look like as an email, it's loaded into the email template and it's checked off to go to website members by default. So I can send that out, and if I look in my email, here is that preview. Now, I've got the same video in there twice, but normally it would be a different video for each meeting, or in some cases for each speech. And if you do the simultaneous publishing to the blog, you can come up with a nice little catalog then of these video recordings tagged by the speakers who are in those videos. And there are ways of doing this to share it privately with members only, or share it publicly for complete egomaniacs. Either way, have fun with it, and I hope you find it useful.